Bonjour and welcome back. In our previous lesson on French indefinite adjectives, we learned about words like plusieurs, quelques, chaque, and aucun. But one important adjective deserved its own video because it was a little confusing. Today's lesson is all about tout. Why is it sometimes tout and sometimes tout? Sometimes tout and sometimes tout? The answer is simple. The word changes to match the gender and number of the noun. First, let's start off with what does tout mean? As an adjective, tout usually means all, every, the whole. The form changes depending on whether the noun is masculine or feminine, singular or plural. That gives us four forms. Let's look at each one together. The first form is tout. We use tout before a single masculine noun. For example, tout le groupe, tout le livre, tout le village. Notice how all three, groupe, livre, and village, are masculine and singular. Next, we have tout. We use tout before a noun that is singular and feminine. For example, toute la classe, toute la journée, toute la famille. The other two, tout and toute, are similar except they're for plural nouns. We have tout for plural masculine, tous les étudiants, tous les livres, tous les enfants. And finally, we have tout, toutes les maisons, tous les fleurs, tous les étudiants. To remember all four forms, just ask yourself two questions. First, is it masculine or feminine? Second, is it singular or plural? Then choose the correct form. Masculine singular, tout. Feminine singular, tout. Masculine plural, tout. Feminine plural, tout. Once you know the gender and the number of the noun, choosing the correct form becomes easy. French also uses tout and toute in time expressions. For example, tous les jours, meaning every day. Tous les matins, meaning every morning. Tous les ans, every year. And for the feminine nouns, toutes les semaines, every week. Toutes les nuits, every night. Toutes les heures, every hour. And that's it for today's lesson. Now you know exactly when to use each of the different TOUTES. If you enjoyed this lesson, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy to follow French grammar lessons. If you'd like to practice, leave a sentence in the comments using one of today's four forms of tout and see if you can choose the correct one. Merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé. À bientôt and see you in the next French lesson.